yet another beautiful morning from the trip. This time it was rolling mountains covered with tea plantation around the peaceful hill station Munnar, which got me struck by its beauty. It was my day 4 in the trip, and we were going to cover a distance of around 100 kilometers from Munnar to our next destination, Thekkady, known for Periyar Tiger Reserve. Hello YouTube, meet my friend Avrit. He does not talk much on camera, but he is a very good photographer. Together we decided to join 17 riders for an adventurous trip across the beautiful and dynamic terrains of South India. Well, there were 19 of us. I will introduce you to rest of them through the journey. So it's my day 4 in the trip. We are at this place called Munnar. Today we are driving to Thekkady, which is like almost 100 kilometers away from here. It is known for Tiger Reserve Forest, and we'll be staying like right in the middle of Tiger Reserve Forest. So yeah, like we are all ready now. We'll quickly have our breakfast, and then we'll start from here in some time. And it should take us almost like 5 hours to reach Thekkady. And so yeah, like the views over here are like really amazing. It's very green, and I really like the place. After a heavy breakfast, we started preparing for the ride. With heavy hearts and the excitement of exploring the next destination, we left the beautiful town. Right after crossing Munnar, me and Jake were about to hit a bus. We somehow managed to escape the crash, but Jake got really nervous and I had to change my rider.
Having a lovely day. It's about 90 degrees and I'm loving it.
It's not 90 degrees.
It feels like 90 degrees.
This time, I was riding with Chris. And soon we decided to take a short tea break.
We nearly got taken out by a bus, and it was millimetres. So it was pretty scary, snaking across the dirt with you on the back trying to stay alive.
But you saved my life.
Saved my own life, I'm not so worried about yours, mate.
What the fuck do you
Funnily enough, we've done quite a bit of mileage and used quite a bit of fuel. Yeah,
This is Nick from Wilton in England. He has been coming to India since 1990 and is a self-proclaimed Indophile.
Nick, how is it going?
yes, it's going exceedingly well, considering conditions, and no, I think everybody's having fun, which is the main thing.
This is Byron. He's also from England and he was coming back to India after 18 years. Riding through the mountains is actually tiring, but with the beautiful landscape around us, we barely felt it. It was late afternoon and we decided to take a halt for having lunch. We are almost halfway to our resort. We have taken a quick stopover at this place called Katappana. The name of the hotel is Adaseri Hotel. So yeah, like we'll have our lunch over here and then we'll start from here again. So we should reach the resort in another 1 hour. And yeah, so I'll keep you posted. And it's very hot, like we are all sweating like anything. So cheers. After a good meal, we started for the last leg of the journey for the day, riding through the lush green forest around Kerala. I breathe you in 'cause you're sensed it on my pillow. Oh, I stay home with you in my head. We go undercover, I wanna be your lover. We're up for night and day. Come on, let me hear you say, let's go undercover. I wanna be your lover. I don't want the games they play. And we finally made it to Periyar Tiger Reserve. Is it real? Could this be a new beginning? Ooh, my whole world falls apart with just the thought of you. Yeah, we finally made it!
Good ride. Nice roads, nice temperature, a little bit of rain to cool you down. It's nice.
And screaming now is the time to follow through.
We're in a place that I can't pronounce because I'm not Indian, Thekkady, at the Tiger Resort, I think, after a day's riding on the mountain roads. It's pretty hot, there was a bit of rain, and yeah, we made some good time, some fast roads on with some really dodgy drivers on them. That's all from this part. What happens next? Stay tuned for the next video from my South India bike trip.
Periyar Tiger Reserve.
Oh, you roll your R's much more than I do. That's an excellent thing for you to say. Periyar Tiger Resort.
No, just say the way you are comfortable with.
What's it called?
Thekkady. Thekkady.
Thekkady.
Thekkady.
I don't have that.
Okay, Thekkady.
Thekkady.
Okay.
Thekkady.